but is wearing two masks, does that help anything?
Well, that's a controversial topic, that's for sure.
For months now, the CDC has recommended and many places have required facial coverings to help slow the spread of COVID-19. If you're anything like myself or Naya there by this point, you have a pretty extensive mask collection.
Yes, I have a lot of masks in my drawer, but listen, vaccines are limited, positive cases numbers are increasing, and some people are now wearing two masks. But it makes me wonder, does doubling up really make a difference? Our Leah McNeil finds out.
Like a homemade, just like fabric one that has like a filter pocket, double layer cloth, cotton, so you can breathe through it.
For these shoppers, continuing to wear one mask is an easy choice.
I've only ever had just one on. So I'll only wear the one because I think it really does its job.
But Vicky Smith has decided to double up.
I have a blue medical mask that you could just buy anywhere, and then I've been making masks.
The San Francisco native is passing through to help her sister move to the area. She says she's wearing two masks for an extra layer of protection, since Texas's COVID-19 mandates are not as strict as California's.
I'm only wearing two masks in Texas because I'm finding that people do not wear masks. I feel a lot safer there, and I feel like people are more respectful, because the mask is not going to save me, it's going to save you.
But is two really better than one?
Though the CDC does not recommend wearing two masks, one could consider wearing two masks in certain situations.
Dr. Aaron Reed, hospitalist director at Advent Health, says the CDC recommends your mask should have 2 to 3 layers.
So if you have a very thin mask or one that you can see light through or is just not fitting properly, you could consider adding an additional layer, especially if you can't socially distance.
Dr. Reed says you never want to compromise your breathing by adding that second layer. So if it's too much for you, do not wear it. But if your breathing isn't restricted and you want to add on that extra layer, she encourages you to go for it. Reporting in Killeen, Leah McNeil, 25 News.
Leah, thank you. Dr. Reed encourages buying masks recommended by the CDC, but keep in mind everyday people are urged to stay away from those N95 and KN95 masks so they can be preserved for our healthcare workers.